Well, right up here we have this pilot bearing that we need to get out and put this brand new one in there. The only problem is it's wedged in there. So the Google machine says that we're going to take this bolt, we're going to stuff bread. Yes, actually, sorry, we're going to stuff moist bread in there, slam this bolt that fits just inside there, and we're going to force the pressure and push it out. Maybe.
What brand bread are we going to use?
I don't know, cheap bread.
The good kind.
Is it slightly moist?
Yeah, it is slightly moist.
Do you use the crust?
I think the crust is probably the best part.
All right, here we go.
Make sure you shove it in there really good. Wait, is that a brass hammer?
Nope. Apparently it needs more than that.
Is it bad that I'm a little skeptical?
Okay, I know you don't believe me, but I do think it moved.
I don't believe you.
Look at it. I think it moved. Look at.
Oh, shit, it is coming out.
It's fucking working. You.
Hey! Holy fucking shit, it actually worked.
All right. There's proof. There's proof that you can take a pilot bearing out with a ton of bread.
Let's get the bread out. See how much bread's in there. It's just bread.
It's a whole loaf of bread in there.
It's actually 1.5 slices.
Sorry. That came out pretty clean. There you go. It takes about approximately that much bread to get a pilot bearing out of a Tacoma.